Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you what to do with the pineapple flower. So this is the pineapple flower, and now we are doing like a decorable stuff with this flowers. So now let's go to cut this flower. So see you when I cut this flower. Okay guys, so as you can see, the ananas flower is cutted. And now I am going to place this into a glass. So I have this glass, and then I'm going to put in this glass to decorate. Okay, so the material we need to decorate this ananas are the paint and a cup of water to mix it and then use it to decorate the ananas. So now let's go to decorate. Okay guys, so now let's go to color it. So I'm gonna put, so I already put some water on these colors I'm gonna use, so sorry. And now let's go to color it. So I'm gonna start with this. And maybe not all the colors with the yellow. You can do with different colors on different leaves. And now let's go with another color. So the watercolor is yellow right now, but let's see what color comes when all the colors are mixed. So now I'm going with the orange one. With this one. So I'm going with like these colors. So if you want, you can fold the leaves if you want. I am not gonna fold it because they are fold. Okay, now let's go with another color. Now with the red one. So it's coming pretty good and it looks so good. Now I'm going with the pink. Pink is so good too. Okay, so now let's go with the purple one. Okay, so now let's go with blue one, the last color. Okay guys, so as you can see, we finished to color this pineapple flower, and now let's put this flower in another glass. Okay, and now let it dry. Okay, and now let's go with this one. So as you can see, in every glass, like you do like something like that. So let's go to decorate the glass if you want. So this word is to do with your fingers. So yeah, so now you put some water on your finger and then put some color like this yellow one. You can do like this. Do like this with every angle. Okay guys, so I finished decorating my glass. So as you can see, it looks so good. It's like the arty stuff. And now our flower and our glass is pretty dry. And now let's put the flower in this glass. Okay guys, so as you can see, this comes so good. And it looks so good too. Look at the glass. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share. And comment down below if you like this pineapple flower decorating stuff and if you try it. And don't forget to press the bell icon. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.